In this video, we'll learn how to open and read Instagram messages without them knowing and without leaving a scene. So if you want to open and read a message that someone sent you on Instagram but don't want the other person to know that you've opened and read the message, then follow my steps. This is a new method and it will work for both iOS and Android devices. The first thing that I will do is to send a message to my other account. I'll send something like, "Hello, how are you doing?" And I'll simply switch over to my other account. When I open my messages, you can see that I have a message here, and in order to open it and read the whole message without leaving a scene, all I have to do is to go back and then search for the Instagram profile that sent you the message. In my case it's World Pictures 028, and you just want to open the person's profile. Tap on the three dots, and then restrict the account. Once you've restricted the Instagram account, you can go over to the messages and see what the other person has sent you. When you finish with reading the person's message, go back to their profile and then unrestrict them. And when I go back over to my first profile and open the messages, you can see that I didn't leave a scene and the other person can't know if I opened the message or not. And that's how we can read Instagram messages without them knowing, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.